was a French author and member of the Académie Française. He laid the foundations for a new literature, the fairy tale, with his works derived from pre-existing folk tales. The best known of his tales include Little Red Riding Hood, Cinderella, Puss in Boots, The Sleeping Beauty, and Bluebeard. Perrault was an influential figure in the 17th century French literary scene and was the leader of the modern faction during the quarrel of the ancients and the moderns. Cinderella is a headstrong and independent young woman who is truly beautiful because she doesn't let her anger and sorrow get the better of her. She is kind to most and is in no way depicted as childish.
Beauty in a woman is a rare treasure that will always be admired. Graciousness, however, is priceless and of even greater value. This is what my godmother gave me when she taught me to behave like a queen.
Prince Charming, interestingly, despite his position in power and royal status.
Hey, beauty of Carmelites. I am Prince Charming, Edward. I am amused by my father's attempt at matchmaking. When I threw a ball in hopes of having one of the invited young women catch my eye romantically.
Julie and Alice, the stepsisters of Cinderella. They are very selfish, a bit ugly, and so filled with jealous. They hold a great envy towards their stepsister Cinderella simply because of her beauty.
The prince will surely marry me. No, yeah, the prince will surely marry me.
Stepmother, the wicked stepmother, is the main antagonist of Disney's 1950 film, Cinderella and its two saga sequels. As the arch enemy of Cinderella, she doesn't harm her stepdaughter physically. Rather, she seeks to punish and abuse her psychologically, motivated by her jealousy of Cinderella being far more beautiful than her own daughters Alice and Julie. Stepmother is also a socialite, determined to gain higher status by marrying one of her daughters to Prince Charming or another bachelor of noble blood.
I want to marry my daughters off to those on the top of the social ladder. Everyone knows that my daughters will marry that charming prince.
The king, and is a ruler of medieval France. He has a passionate temper, but is a romantic who believes in love at first sight.
I'm hoping to see the day my son gets married and have children of his own. I decide to hold a royal ball in honor of my son's recent return to the kingdom.
The godmother. She has arrived to help Cinderella in her time of distress. After her wicked stepsisters cruelly destroy the dress she plans on wearing to the ball, Cinderella runs off to the backyard of her stepmother. There she breaks down in sorrow that she has no way of getting to the ball, beginning to lose her faith in dreams. However, the faith is still strong enough to summon her fairy godmother. At the stroke of 12, the spell will be broken and everything will return to normal.
My poor lady, are you cleaning the floor? Let me help you, my sweet babe. Look at here, the floor is dirty. Clean it quickly.
What is that young lady, Cinderella? Cinderella? How many times I call you Cinderella? Where were you? I'm very hungry. Cook some food fast now.
No, Julie, the floor is dirty.
I don't care. The floor is dirty.
May I say something?
No! You are not supposed to say anything here.
Oh, look at that. Dad, that's a rat.
A dirty rat!
What's happening here?
Look at that, Mom. That's a rat.
Kill it now. Please don't kill it. Let it go away. Cinderella, are you sure? I'm sure, Mom. If you let it go, it won't come back here. What are you talking about? I wouldn't say it. Do you want to get a new punishment, Cinderella? Okay, let it go away. Then clean the floor and cook some food quickly. Otherwise, you can't dinner tonight. Okay, Mom.
Edward, Edward, where are you, my dear son?
I'm here. Why did you call me?
Where were you?
I was just out in the garden catching some air.
I came here to talk about the most precious time in your life, about your marriage.
Dad, I don't want to get married. Married life is complicated. I still want to get bachelor.
Actually, it's easy for you.
I'm still confused about whom I should marry.
Haha, don't be nervous, we have taught it. We'll arrange a party for all girls in the kingdom. Then you can choose one of them as your wife.
Dad, the girls better be beautiful.
Oh gosh, gods, gods! You have to give an announcement all over the kingdom. We'll arrange a party for all the ladies in this kingdom. Go! Attention, attention, attention! For all ladies in this country, Prince invited you to come to his dance party. Every lady can come. That party will be at Saturday night this week. Thanks for your attention.
Oh, party! How exciting! Julie, Alice, come here.
Yes, Mom.
What, Mom?
Prince has arranged a party for all the ladies in our kingdom. He invited us also.
Oh, I'll dance with Prince.
No, I'll dance with him.
Don't fight. Prepare well groomily for the party. Mom, I have finished my works and cleaned the floor. All right, now clean the window. But I have done last 3 hours, Mom. Oh, poor. Do it again. Oh God, I want to come to that party, but I can't. I have to finish it first. Hey, what is that? Who are you?
Don't be afraid. I'm just a fairy. I come to help you.
Thank you, my godmother.
Then try on.
Wow, beautiful.
Now you can go there. But remember, my magic will end up at 12 o'clock at this midnight. So you have to go home before the bells ring.
Okay, my godmother. But how about my task and punishes?
Don't worry, I will have done when you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's wear it. I'm here. Then you can go there.
dance with me?
Oh, sorry, I can't. Thanks for your invitation.
Don't worry, I can dance with my friends.
Look at me. He'll dance with me.
That's impossible. I'm more beautiful than you, but he didn't dance with me.
What do you say? You are more beautiful than me? I think I'm prettier than you. So look at me carefully. Excuse me, charming prince. Will you dance with me?
I'm sorry, but I can't. Thanks for your invitation.
But why are you feeling you can't? Maybe I can help you.
Thanks, but I can't dance now. Thanks for your participation.
You're welcome.
Look at yourself. Prince didn't dance with you.
But I can talk with him longer than you.
Yes, but he just said thanks and sorry, then thanks again.
Shut up!
Oh God, thanks. You give me a pretty woman. Hi lady, will you dance with me?
Sure.
Lady, you look beautiful. May I ask something?
Sure.
May I know your name?
Of course. My name is... Oh, sorry, Prince. I must go home now.
No, lady, stay here, please.
I'm sorry, Prince.
Lady, don't leave me. Lady, lady.
Don't be sad, Prince. You can get her. Look at that, her shoe left. You can find the owner.
Brilliant. Thank you. Stop this party and we'll look for the owner tomorrow. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Excuse me.
Wait! I'm coming. Oh, Prince, why are you here?
Prince will look for the owner of it. Prince will marry the owner. Did your daughter come to the party last night?
Oh, yes, they came to that party.
Call them now.
Alice, Julie, come here.
What do you call me, Mom?
Oh, Prince.
Oh, Prince!
Okay, try it.
Oh, yeah. I'm first, Alice.
Look at me. The princess is me.
Is there any other girl in this house?
No.
Don't lie. Is there any other girl in this house?
Yes, but she's just a servant.
Call her now. Hey, who are you?
I'm Cinderella.
Try it.
But, Prince, she's just a servant.
I don't care. Cinderella, will you marry me?
Sure.
Okay, let's go to the castle.
Yeah, but...
Okay, if in your depend it's good for you, why not?
Thanks, Prince.
I will do anything for you.
Cinderella. Now you can live happily with him and live in the castle. So we are sorry for our pretender to you.
Yes, Cinderella. I and Julie are sorry we have been jealous to you.
Don't worry. I have forgiven you in the first time. And I want you to live in the castle with us.
Oh, Cinderella, you are a perfect lady. Thank you very much, Cinderella.
Cinderella, let's go.
Yes, Prince.